Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Olivier and Alima. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a different kind of slow motion with the Sony ZV1F. Let's get right into it. The second one is not obvious, and you will need to watch till the end of this video to know that this exists. This will avoid that you take videos on your trip, and at the end of the day, you notice that all of them are slow motion. Before talking about the slow motion, I would like to encourage you to have the information on the picture or the video that you are taking on screen. This will allow you to know if you are filming on slow motion or no. To do that, you're gonna press on the up side of the gear that you have here. So when you press on the up side, once, twice, and 3 times. Notice that the information appear on top here. So the first step, you're gonna look on top of the Sony ZV1F and you're gonna press this button that you have here. Show you picture, movie, and SNQ. You're gonna select the SNQ. So I'm gonna press it and show you how it appears on screen. I press once, you can see SNQ. On my side, it was the first one, but maybe on your side you will have to press it multiple times. So here we can see the picture side, you can see movie, and then we can see SNQ. So this is the mode that you have to select for the slow motion. And as you can see on the left side here, you can see 5 times slow. That's why I wanted you to have the information on screen. So now when I want to take a video, once I press it, I know that it's on 5 times slow motion. Okay, very important. I'm gonna show you how to change the slow motion speed. And to do that, you're gonna press menu. You're gonna go to image quality recording. You're gonna press on the right side and you have SNQ setting here. You press on that. And as you can see, the rec frame is 24, frame rate 120. That's why I have 5 times slow motion. If I change the 24 frame rate to 30, you can see that now we have 4 times slow motion here on the left. If I keep it at 30 and go to the frame rate and change it to 60, you can see that we have 2 times slow motion. And if I change it again to 30 frame rate, you can see that nothing show up, means that I'm no more in slow motion. Even if technically according to the setting, it's still a slow motion, but it's like 1 out of 1. If I go under 30, 15, it's no more a slow motion, but it's a quick motion. People used to call it time lapse. So by changing this setting here, you will be able to go up to 30 times quick motion or 30 times time lapse. This video has been done with the 5 times slow motion. Now for the second type of slow motion, what you're gonna do, you're gonna remove this 5 times slow motion. You're gonna press the button that you have here and you're gonna keep it on this one, okay, with the picture one, or even if you want on the regular movie one. And you're gonna go to menu, you're gonna go to movie settings, rec frame height, and the rec frame you're gonna select 120. Okay, you have 60, 30, 24, and 120. You're gonna select 120. Okay, once you do that, the particularity with this method is that when you film with the Sony ZV1F and you look the video inside the ZV1F, the video will appear normal. But when you transfer the video to your phone and you look the video on your phone, you're gonna notice that the video will start normally, and then after a couple of seconds, the video will be slowed down. Okay, so you have to pay attention and make sure that this 120 rec frame rate is not selected unless you want to do a slow motion. So every time, just stay on 30 or 60 or even 24, and you're gonna be fine. But as soon as you put the 120 rec frame, automatically the video is gonna be slowed down, okay?